Nothing's better than a good old-fashioned BLT. You know, as we approach the halfway point of summer, we may be getting a little burnout eating the same old side dishes every time the family gets together. So to keep things fresh, we came up with a twist on a basic macaroni salad that's inspired by a BLT. So if you love bacon, lettuce, and tomato like I do, then you'll love this. We start off by cooking a pound of elbow macaroni until it's tender. We drain it, rinse it, and drain it again. While that cools, we mix together some mayo and a few off-the-shelf spices. Now we add the pasta to this, along with some cherry tomatoes that we've cut up, a handful of baby spinach, and a bit of crumbled cooked bacon. You see, it has everything we love about a BLT combined with the goodness of macaroni salad. Once this chills and all the flavors blend together, get ready to introduce your family to an old standby with a new smoky twist. And as always, you can get the recipe on our website. Just type in BLT Macaroni Salad. I know you'll be glad you did. After all, anything with bacon in it is good in my book. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a comforting kind of way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."